Google's Pixel Watch is about to revolutionize your wrist game. The latest update brings a game changer for fitness enthusiasts and music lovers alike. But here's the twist. It's all about the always-on display. The new Wear OS 6 update introduces an enhanced always-on display for the Pixel Watch, as reported by 9to5 Google. This means that when you're jamming to your favorite tunes or timing your workout, the media controls and timer app will stay visible without fading away. A minor adjustment, you might think, but it's a significant upgrade for those who rely on their watch during intense activities. The Pixel Watch 4 has already made waves, being crowned the top Android smartwatch of 2025 by Mashable. The tech experts praised its elegance and functionality, calling it a perfect blend of style and performance. And now, with this display update, it's even more appealing to active users. Imagine you're a sprinter pushing yourself to the limit. You no longer need to worry about the display timing out, interrupting your flow. It's a subtle change, but one that could be the difference between a personal best and a missed goal. This update might seem like a small detail, but it showcases Google's commitment to enhancing the user experience. And this is where it gets interesting. Will this feature be a game changer for you, or is it just a nice to have? Share your thoughts on this subtle, yet potentially powerful upgrade.